These are the list of steps that the founders put together that they felt was the best way of encouraging people to maintain their sobriety. I can't list them off verbatim, but the main important ones are admitting that I have a problem and that my life has become unmanageable. That's step one. Step two, came to believe that a power greater than myself could restore myself to sanity, so believing in a higher power of some sort. Step three is more about the higher power. The most important thing though, so just steps 4 and 5 are consistent with what helped me in my own recovery, and 8 and 9. These are steps that help me heal. So 4 and 5 are taking an internal inventory and seeing where I am deficient, where my personality flaws are, where my character defects are, and to try to, so I'm identifying them and then also try to work on them and recognize them in my life and try to minimize how much damage I do. So that makes a lot of sense to me. I really like that one about steps 4 and 5 of the 12-step program. Steps 8 and 9 are also about healing, and that's to identify who I've hurt and to make amends to them. It's as simple as that. I mean, that allows them to heal and it allows myself to heal. Step 11 is about coming to terms with myself and relaxing, and it's encouraged to things like meditation, perhaps prayer. Mindfulness is what I add to that as well, so being aware of my own behavior, my own thinking, and my direct surroundings, like smelling the roses, for example. And step 12 is to reach out and help other people, which is also good for my healing and helpful to other people. So again, it's not a Bible-thumping thing or preaching to other people, but it's just letting other people know that they're not alone, there are other people who've gone through it, and to metaphorically hold their hand and help them get through the worst of their addiction.